action, let's go. trouble 물을 찾으러.
Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. Hello everyone, my name is Dira Marsella with NPM 2442012. I'm from the study program accounting. Here I will explain mathematical model. Before the definition, I will explain the difference between pure math and applied math in economic and business. The first one is pure mathematics. The difference is studied as a foundation for applied mathematics, and the use of symbol in variables usually use the final letter of the alphabet is X, Y, and Z, and the use of symbol P must be on the horizontal axis because the variable P is an independent variable. And the last one is variable values can be both negative and positive. And then I will explain the difference of economic and business math. The first one is the use of symbol usually use the name of economic variable, which is P is price, C is cost, and Q is quantity. And the use of the P or price axis in the Cartesian plane is depicted on the vertical axis. And the last one is the variable value is assumed to be non-negative, so it applies to the first quadrant only. Next, I will explain the definition of mathematics, business, and business mathematics. First, I will explain the mathematics is. Mathematics is a science that deals with quantity, structure, space, or certain patterns. And business is the production and distribution of community needs in the form of goods and services that aim to make a profit. And then, what is business mathematics? Business mathematics is applied science that is useful for solving problems or conducting a series of analyses and predictions in business activities, and is based on mathematics to create maximum and accurate results. There are also set concept and theory. The set can be defined as a collection of objects that have certain characteristics, where the objects are referred to as members or elements of the set. The example is A is a prime number less than 17, and A is 2, 3, 5, 7, 11, and 30. And I will explain the operation on a set. There are two operations of set. The first one is the union of two sets A and B is the set that contains all elements from both sets. I'll give the example. The example is if A is 1, 2, 3 and B is 3, 4, 5, then we have A union B is 1, 2, 3, 4, and 5. And the last one is the intersection of two sets A and B is the set of elements that are common to both sets. I'll give the example too. Example is for the same sets A is 1, 2, 3 and B is 3, 4, 5, then we have A intersection B is 3. That's all the explanation from me. Thank you. Wassalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.